Today topic circular motion in plane. So circular motion nothing but motion of the particle along circumference of circle is called circular motion. Here motion of particle along circumference of circle. Here circular motion classified into two categories. Here uniform circular motion, next non-uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion means what is it? Speed is constant at any point on the circumference of the circle. So here speed will be varies. Speed not constant means varies with respect to time. So it is called what is it? Non-uniform circular motion. Here uniform circular motion, best example is what is it? Revolution of this earth. Okay, revolution of the earth with itself and around the sun. So this is best example for uniform circular motion. Next, non-uniform circular motion means what is it? A wire, it is connected with a stone, or a string, it is connected with a stone and while in vertical circle or rotated in vertical circle. That is best example for non-uniform circular motion. So these are what are the types of right. Next, whenever particle is moving along circumference of the circle, here we can consider this is particle initial position, O is at origin, R is radius vector or position vector. So this angle described by this what is it? Rotating radius vector at center, it is called what is it? Angular displacement. T is equal to 0 second, position of particle P. After T seconds, position is P dash. So this is T seconds later position. Theta is angular displacement. Angular displacement means what is it? The rotating radius vector describes the angle at center of the circle. Units radians. Right. Next, angular displacement theta is equal to actual formula arc is equal to radius into angle. So therefore arc is equal to P dash, radius is R, angle is theta, where theta is equal to P dash divided by R, arc by radius, right? So angular velocity is nothing but angular displacement by time or rate of change of angular displacement. So d theta divided by dt. For example, whenever particle is making one revolution, then angular displacement is d pi in time interval t. So this is angular speed formula. For example, if particle makes n revolutions, therefore angular displacement is equal to 2 pi into n divided by t. N indicates number of revolutions making in time interval t. So units, what are they? Radian by second square. So this is unit for angular displacement, angular velocity. Right. Next, angular acceleration. Before that, angular velocity of seconds hand or angular speed of the seconds hand. So angular speed of the seconds hand is equal to 2 pi into n divided by t. So for one revolution, the seconds hand, it will be taken time interval, that is 60 seconds. So therefore 2 pi by 60. This is angular velocity of the seconds hand. Angular velocity of minutes hand, velocity of minutes hand, that is omega is equal to 2 pi into n divided by t. Therefore n number of revolutions 1. So minutes hand, whenever it is making one revolution, it will take 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So therefore omega is equal to 2 pi into by, what is that, 60 into 60. So this is angular velocity of these minutes hand. Angular velocity of hours hand. Angular velocity of hours hand is, whenever it is making one revolutions, then the number of revolutions are 1, time taken is, what is it, so hours hand, it will take, what is it, 12 hours. 12 hours means 12 into 1 hour is 60 minutes into 1 minute is 60 seconds. So therefore omega is equal to 2 pi divided by 12 into 60 into 60. So this is, what is it, angular velocity of hours hand. Next, angular velocity of, so for one revolution n is equal to 1. So the earth, it will take 24 hours. 24 hours, nothing but 24 into 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. Angular speed is equal to 2 pi into n divided by t. Therefore 2 pi divided by 24 into 60 into 60. So this is angular velocity of this revolution of earth with itself, right? Then angular acceleration. Angular acceleration, nothing but rate of change of angular speed. It is called as angular acceleration d omega by dt. Means omega 2 minus omega 1. This is final angular speed minus initial angular speed in time intervals t2 minus of t1. Therefore 2 pi into n2 minus 2 pi into n1 divided by t2 minus of t1. Alpha is equal to 2 pi n2 minus n1 divided by t2 minus t1. Units, radian by second square. This is unit for this angular acceleration. Next,